Enjoy your coffee on tour, stackable with our racks, featuring a sliding base for the machine to make serving coffee easier. The drawers are organized with our custom divider system, ensuring all accessories travel safely. It includes 3 drawers with the divider system. There's also a rear access door, so you can plug in the machine without needing an extension cord. Because even your coffee machine deserves a proper flight case.